Unravel the Word Factory, Mastering Prefixes for Advanced English Learning. Hello and welcome, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of prefixes and how you can use them to build your English vocabulary. Prefixes are powerful tools that can transform simple base words into a whole new word with a different meaning. So, buckle up and get ready to create your own words with prefixes. A prefix is a group of letters placed at the beginning of a word to create a new term with a different meaning. They can convey different elements of meaning, such as negation, direction, sub, inter, or intensity, super, ultra. For example, if we add the prefix un to the word happy, we get unhappy, which is the opposite of happy. Similarly, if we add super to natural, we get supernatural, implying something beyond or exceeding what is natural. Now, let's take a look at some common prefixes and what they mean. 1. Un. This prefix is used to indicate the opposite or negative of the base word. Examples include unseen, unwilling, uncertain, etc. 2. Re. This prefix means again or back. Examples include rebuild, rearrange, return, etc. 3. Pre. This prefix is used to indicate before. Examples include pretest, pre-war, preview, etc. 4. Mis. This prefix is used to denote incorrectness or negativity. Examples include misunderstand, misuse, misplace, etc. Remember, this is just a brief list. There are many more prefixes in English. It's time to apply what we've learned. Let's transform some base words with prefixes. 1. Happy, unhappy. 2. Do, undo. 3. Play, replay. 4. View, preview. Notice how the meaning of each word changes when a prefix is added. And that wraps up our session for today. I hope this video helps you understand how you can use prefixes to enhance your English vocabulary and improve your language skills. Remember, practice is key. So, keep exploring, experimenting, and learning. You're on your way to becoming a proficient English speaker. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.